Well, Peter Bibring is a staff attorney at the American Civil Liberties Union in California. He filed that lawsuit against the FBI that we just told you about. He joins us now live from Los Angeles. Thanks for your time.
Thank you for having me.
Let me ask you first, this class action lawsuit, which involves many people, what are the specific accusations against the FBI?
Well, what the lawsuit alleges is that in 2005 and 2006, the FBI recruited an informant, not an FBI agent, but an individual with actually a criminal record, to pose as an informant as a convert, to go to a mosque in Orange County, convert to Islam in a public ceremony, and once he was embraced by the community, to begin gathering surveillance. That individual in recent years has actually come forward and said that he was told to gather information on Muslims indiscriminately, as much information on anyone who attended mosque as he could, that he wore a wire 24 hours a day for the more than a year that he was in the Muslim community, attending mosque sometimes several times a day, sometimes at different mosques each day. And what our lawsuit alleges is that that kind of targeting of surveillance on the basis of religion violates the U.S. Constitution's protections for religious freedom.
Now, what kind of sanction does the lawsuit want from this case, from the FBI?
Well, what we're primarily looking for, besides a court decision holding that this kind of surveillance of anybody of a particular religion is unlawful, is a purging of the investigative files. From what the informant has publicly said, we have reason to believe that the FBI has collected huge amounts of information on innocent Americans simply because of their religion, and we want to ensure that that information is removed from the FBI's files and purged, and that individuals in Orange County don't have to worry about the fact that they might have FBI files, FBI records, simply because they attended a mosque.
Now, it must also raise questions about the oversight over the FBI. Has there been any kind of response from the Obama administration to this?
Yes. Troublingly, the Obama administration has moved to dismiss the suit on state secrets grounds, essentially arguing that for them to defend against these charges would require them to reveal information that would be a threat to national security, and so that the court shouldn't even consider the lawsuit. We think that that's an extraordinary step. This is a domestic law enforcement investigation. The FBI only investigates crimes on American soil, and this is an investigation of American citizens, American residents on American soil. And so to prevent the courts even from looking to consider whether there was a violation of religious freedom would really give the executive a blank check to discriminate.
Peter Bibring, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.